and welcome to Cebu Ocean Parks Amphitheater. By the way, my name is Alfie and I'll be your host for the show. Now, our next featured birds are just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime, which is romantic, isn't it? But as any couple soon says, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and Goldie, our beautiful pair of Blue and Goldie. Oh. And today, they will battle it out in who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be inviting you guys into two groups. For the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on, boys, say, go Blue, go Blue, go Blue. Alright, so for the girls, let's cheer for Goldie. Come on, girls, say, Goldie, 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 Goldie. Alright, so are you guys ready? First ready, set, go! Come on, let's cheer for them. Here comes Blue for the first one. They got job. Alright, next for Goldie. You have Blue wins this game. That's alright, Goldie. Alright. So, PJ, you guys lose this game. What can you say?
Hola, Trainer Joseph, I want another race.
Oh, you want another race, Trainer Joseph?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie to lose again?
Uh-oh.
Well, this time I'll guarantee you that Goldie will win.
Palaban, ha?
So what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race?
I'm thinking about a ring race.
What's the ring race?
The first bird to drop the 3 rings into the pool, the fastest is the winner. That is a ring race.
So, a ring race it shall be. Remember that boys can already have 1 point. Let's cheer louder for Goldie to win this game. And we'll be doing this again with a ring race. So, are you guys ready for the second round? First ready, set, go! Come on, Goldie, catch up for this game. Are you too late, Goldie? Here comes Blue for the first ring. Come on, Goldie, catch up. Second ring for Blue. What was that, PJ? And Goldie pick up 3 rings at the same time. What do you say about that?
Hey, you guys cheated!
No, we're not
you guys
cheating. Goldie uses her brain.
So is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys? Of course, I don't lost for